Student, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Alpam Public School, and this school is situated in Gola Bazar. Today our topic is numbers up to 200, and in class 2nd we have to learn today numbers up to 200, and in this topic we have to learn numbers up to 200. After that, reading numbers, and after that we have to learn about that is place value and expanded form of numbers and comparing numbers, and after that we have to learn about ordering number. Okay, and that now common topic, that is numbers up to 200. Okay, so that is numbers up to 200. There is a poem given, you can see here. Read the poem. Numbers all around us on the clock that tell the time. On my card the number is mine. House addresses have numbers, your age is a number. The day today is another, numbers are all around us. This line is last in number. Numbers all around us. You can see here that we have two numbers all around us. On the clock, they tell the time. The numbers are represented from 1 to 12 on the clock. You can that these are numbers. On my card, the number is mine. On number plate, the number is written. That is also a number. House addresses have numbers, and if you see carefully, house addresses there will also have numbers. And your age is a number, as like you are 5 years old, then 5 is a number, and a day today is another. Today date is 5, so 5 is also number. Numbers all around us, and you can see numbers all around us, and this line is last in number. Okay, now come on, solve the riddles to find a hidden message. Solve the riddles to find a hidden message. Okay, so common riddles. I am greater than 12. I am less than 25. My ones digit is 7. Okay, I am greater than 12. I am greater than 12, and I am greater than 12. I am less than 25. My ones digit is 7. What is the number? Do you know? Do you know which number is? I am greater than 12. I am less than 25. My ones digit is 7. That is 17. Okay, you know that is 17. B. I am less than 34 and greater than 28. I have more ones than tens. Okay, I am less than 34 and greater than 28. I have more ones than tens. That is 29. Okay, so that is 29. Question third. I am between 89 and 93. I rhyme with mighty. That is 90. Okay, I am between 89 and 93. I rhyme with mighty. That is 90. And I am greater than 90. If you subtract me from 100, you get 0. That is 100. If I am greater than 90, if you subtract me from 100, you get 0. That is 100. Okay, now we have to fill down. That is, for 17 we have to write n, and for 100 we have to write m, and for 29 we have to fill b, and for 90 we have to fill r. So there will be I love numbers, NUMBERS, I love numbers. Common next topic, numbers up to 200. Shreya and Atul have sets of 10 blocks and 100 blocks. Shreya and Atul have sets of 10 blocks and 100 blocks. They also have some single blocks. They want to use the blocks to make different number. You can see here, this is a set of 100 blocks and one more block will make the number 101. And you can see here that there is a table given. Sriya and Atul have sets of 10 blocks and 100 blocks. They also have some single blocks. They want to use the blocks to make different numbers. This is a set of 100 blocks, and one more block will make the number 101. And for 100, on 1's place there is 0, on 10's place there will be 0, and on 100 place there will be 1. And for 101, that means 100 blocks plus one single block, that is 101. In 101, on 1's place there is 1, on 10's place there will be 0, and on 100 place there will be 1. The number name of 101 is 101. The number name for 101 is 101. Okay. Now I can make the number 130, and for 130 we have to take one block of 100 and three block of tens, that make 130. Okay, so because 100 blocks plus 30 blocks, one block of 100, that means 100 block, and 3 blocks of 10, that means 30 block. So 100 plus 30 block, that is 130. In 130, 0 is on 1's place, 3 is on 10's place, and 1 is on 100 place. And here are the blocks for 165. For 165, we have to take one block of 100, that is one block of 100 and 6 blocks of 10s and 5 single blocks. Okay, one block of 100, that means 100 blocks, 6 block of 10s, that means 60 blocks, and 5 single blocks, that makes 100 plus 60 plus 5, that is 165. In 165, on 1's digit there will be 5, and on 10's digit there will be 6, and on 100 there will be 1. And for 130, the number name of 130 is 130. The number name of 130 is 130. And the number name of 165 is 165. Now come on, next topic, that is I can do it. Okay, so you have to count, write a number. What you have to do here, I can do it, write a number. You have to write a number. Firstly you have to count the block. And after that you have to write the numbers. Okay, so the first is one block of 100, that means 100 block plus there are 7 single blocks, so that is 100 plus 7, that's make it 100 plus 7, because there is one block of 100, that means 100 block, and 7 single blocks, that means 7. 100 plus 7, that is 107. On 1's place there will be 7, on 10's place there will be 0, and on 100 place there will be 1. In second question, there is one block of 100 and there are 2 blocks of 10s. One block of 100 makes 100 and 2 blocks of 10 makes 20. Okay, so 100 plus 20, that makes it 120. And on 100 place, on 1's place there will be 0, on 10's place there will be 2, on 100 place there will be 1. Come on question number 3rd, that is in question number 3rd there is one block of 100, that makes it 100, and 3 blocks of 10s, that makes it 10, and plus 6 single blocks, that make is 6. So 100 plus 100 blocks plus 30 blocks plus 6 blocks, that is 136 blocks. And 100 plus 30 plus 6, that's make it 136 blocks. So on 1's place there will be 6, on 10's place there will be 3, on 100 place there will be 1. And now the next is reading numbers. The next topic is reading number, how we can read the numbers. So listen carefully. Read 140 aloud. Read 140 aloud. You know that read 140 is made from one block of 100 and four block of tens. One block of 100 makes 100 and four block of 10 makes 40. So 100 plus 40, that is 140. So in 140, 1 is pronounced at 100 and 40 are pronounced with each other. Okay, that is 140. So 140 is read as 140. And now the next is read 129 aloud. So you have to read 129 aloud. You can see here that there is one block of 100 that makes it 100 and two blocks of 10 that makes it 20 and plus 9 single blocks that makes it 100 plus 20 plus 9 that make it 129 and one pronounced separately 129 pronounced with each other, that is 29. Okay, both numbers are pronounced one in one time, that is 129. 129 read as 129. Come on next, that is the number's name of 140 is 140. That is wrong. The number name of 140 is 140. Okay, now come on exercise 1.1. Firstly, you have to write a missing numbers and read them aloud as you write. So there is 101, 102. Write a missing number, read them aloud as you write. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199 to 200. And now write a number. You have to write a number for this number 135, that is 135, 135, 135. Second 118, 1118, 118, 118. Question third 168, 168, 168, 168. Question number 4 197, 197, 197, 110, 110, 110. Question number 6 is 199, 199. Okay, now and that was your. Now you have to fill book of exercise 1.1, and on next day you have to read how you can numbers read aloud and also you have to learn smallest to greatest, that means ascending order, and comes after, between, comes before. Okay, and thank you for watching the video, and continue.